Number 6 says, a student performs an experiment to determine the density of a sugar solution. She obtains the following results: 4.11 grams per milliliter, 4.81 grams per milliliter, 4.95 grams per milliliter, and 3.75 grams per milliliter. If the actual value for the density of the sugar solution is 4.75 grams per milliliter, which statement best describes her results? So in this particular example, first of all, these numbers make absolutely no sense because sugar water should have a density of about 1, probably a little bit more than 1. But in order to talk about accuracy and precision, I wanted to talk about throwing darts. So we have 3 examples of bullseyes in darts right here. The first example, the person threw 4 times and they got them all in the bullseye. This is an easy case because this is both accurate and precise. The person was aiming for the middle, that's where they got it, and they got it every single time, accurate and precise. The second case is also straightforward because now the dart throws are all over the place. They're not in the middle and they're not near each other. So this is neither accurate nor precise. So they missed the bullseye every time and they were throwing them erratically. So this is neither. Here is the case where it's one or the other. In this case, all of the throws are clustered, but they're not at the bullseye. So this is like having data that's reproducibly the same, but it's not what you expect. In this case, this is precise because it's reproducible, but not accurate because it's not near the bullseye. So accuracy is how close you are to the expected value. Precision is how close the values are to each other, usually calculated in terms of standard deviations. In this particular set of data, you'll notice that this data is not particularly close to each other. These numbers are kind of all over the place, much like this center one. You'll also notice that some of them are not very close to the bullseye either. Although there are a couple that are relatively close to the bullseye, there are a couple that are quite far away. So therefore, they're not accurate nor precise, and the answer is choice letter A, because this data is most similar to the central bullseye here.